Hey everyone, and welcome back. Tired of endless back and forth emails to schedule a meeting? In this video, I'll show you how to add your Calendly scheduling link to your website and email signature in under 2 minutes. First, make sure you have a Calendly account and your scheduling page is set up. It's free to get started. To add it to your website, log into your Calendly dashboard. Go to the Share Your Link section for your event type. You'll see an option to add to website. Click it, and Calendly will give you a few choices. The easiest is to just copy your direct Calendly link and paste it anywhere on your site. It's like a contact page. For a more professional look, choose the embed option. You can get a small widget code or a full-page embed code. Copy the code and then paste it into the HTML of your website. If you use WordPress, you can do this by adding a custom HTML block. Now, for your email signature. This is super powerful. Go to your Calendly dashboard and click Integrations. Find the email signatures section. It works with Gmail, Outlook, and others. Follow the simple steps to connect your email account. Calendly will automatically generate a professional schedule, a meeting button that you can add to your signature once it's set up. Every email you send becomes a chance for people to book time with you instantly, and that's it. You've just automated your scheduling and made it incredibly easy for people to connect with you. If this saves you time, let me know how you're using Calendly in the comments. See you in the next one.